So when you're working around with the editing area, one of the types of blocks that you can work with is the paragraph block. So over here on the top, you can go ahead and add in a title. Let's say, for example, I'm going to simply go around and say sample title right here. So over here, you can see that I can go ahead and add in a block that I want. That I can work with. For example, I can go ahead and choose paragraph right here, and by default you get the paragraph block right here, just like that as well. So now I can simply go ahead and type in a sentence. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say this is a tutorial on wordpress.com in which one can make a website without having to have any coding knowledge at all, just like this. So let's say, for example, I have this particular paragraph, and I can simply go around over here, add in another paragraph as well as I want. So you can see that I got one block paragraph, another block paragraph right here, just like this. Another paragraph block, and so forth right here. So you can see that this is the paragraph right here, this is the paragraph right here, and so forth. And over here you can see that I have an option to rearrange this paragraph as I want as well. Apart from that, you also can align the text. Let me just go ahead and increase out the text right here, and you can see that this paragraph block is here. So everything is left aligned at the moment. But if I were to go around and click, I can center align out the text or right align it out as well. Apart from that, you also got the AI assistant, as you can see right here, just like this, and you can go ahead and simplify out the content, as you can see right here, just like this, and so forth as well. Or you can go ahead and expand this out as well, just like this, and what happens is that it simply expands out the content of that particular paragraph. You can also change around the tone, as you can see. You can make it much more informal, as you can see right here, just like this as well. And you can also go ahead and, let's say, for example, translate it out into different languages as well. Let's just go around with, let's say, Japanese, for example. Then what happens is that it simply changes around the language, as you can see right here. But let me just go ahead and press Ctrl Z, and then this is what you have, as you can see. Let me just go around, align this to the left. You can also select out, let's say, certain portions right here, just like this, and bold it out right here, or italicize it out right here as well. You can also make certain text clickable by going around over here and by linking it. So you can go around, link it to about page, let's say, for example, and then what happens is that this text becomes linked. You can also see that there's different options right here to change around the paragraph. Like, for example, you can highlight it out right here, just like this. You can go ahead right here and, let's say, for example, add an inline codes right here. Is if you're adding in codes that you want to display. There's justify as well to justify the paragraph. There's keyboard input right here, just like this as well, that you can go ahead and add in that you want right here, just like this, as you can see. There's language that you can go ahead and, let's say, for example, go for right to left right here as well for the languages that you choose as well, and so forth. There's also strike through option, as you can see right here, just like this, and so forth. So you can go around and change it into subscript as you want as well, and then superscript as well. So you can format it out according to how you like, as you can see right here, and even see other options for the particular block from over here as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the paragraph block inside of WordPress.com editing area. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.